¿Conoce al señor?
Wait, what? Wait, what just happened?
Will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
I forgot.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage. Cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Franklin, Tennessee, and the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Madison. Northeastern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, southeastern Franklin County in middle Tennessee, until 3 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Anderson, Hightop, Bass, Jericho, Long Island, Russell Cave National Monument, and Sherwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Franklin, Tennessee, and Jackson, Alabama. The tornado warning for
We got it.
Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County in north central Alabama, northeastern Limestone County in north central. 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Athens. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Fayetteville, Mooresville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, Alabama, and Lincoln, Tennessee. At 2 p.m., the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 374, effective until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Bedford, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Lincoln, and more, and the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Madison. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 374 has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Bedford, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Lincoln, and more, and the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Madison. A special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact northwestern Madison, Limestone, eastern Lauderdale, southeastern Colbert, northwestern Coleman, Morgan, southeastern Franklin, Lawrence, and southwestern Lincoln counties through 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Lexington to near Cortland to 8 miles southwest of Moulton. Movement was northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Decatur, Madison, Athens, Hartselle, Moulton, Priceville, Trinity, Southville, Rogersville, and Ardmore. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrey in northeastern Alabama.
We got an alert.
County in north central.
Oh.
Central Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from...
Severe thunderstorm warning again. I guess we're gonna have to change the mini. I guess we're gonna have to remove the mini. Hold on.
Aplauda como se aplauda un rey. Ahí viene otra vida. Aplauda, aplauda.
Meridianville, Redstone Arsenal, Hazel Green, Ardmore, and Gurley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Jackson and Madison, and Lincoln, Tennessee.
We're still under severe thunderstorm watch. Oh shit. Scared me. Oh my god!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Again? You are still not going off. Are you kidding?
County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winchester, Cowan, Huntland, Sewanee, Anderson. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. When a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee, Franklin and Lincoln, and the following counties in Alabama, Jackson and Madison. Areas of rotation are in the storm segment capable of producing a tornado.
Oh sh!
Hazard, tornado.
Oh sh! Oh sh! Tornado warning!
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Okay.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
My goodness!
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Jackson and northeastern DeKalb counties, including the following locations: Fabius, Shackler, Higdon, Martintown, Long Island, and Russell Cave National
Only
Monument.
60%.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
This is too dark.
Flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been given.
There we go. Now weathers are getting somewhere. Go, go, go. Again?
Still, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for
Whoa! There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Tornado warning.
4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I was doing a video. Oh, I can see the storm. I can see the storm.
45 miles per hour. Alabama. Hazard, tornado.
Okay, good to know.
Flying debris will be
Dangerous.
to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged
Oh,
or destroyed.
Oh my! Don't do that. This is.
Damage is likely.
Oh.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Jackson, northeastern Madison, and south central Franklin counties, including the following locations.
Don't do that.
Larkin, a high top. Take cover now.
Okay.
Take a photo of words you want to understand.
Okay.
Mobile home or in a vehicle.
Okay, please stop doing that. Thank you.
Repeating, a tornado warning.
Okay, I'm pretty sure a tornado is taking over.
Following counties in Alabama, Jackson and Madison. At 3 p.m.
Going on? Another alert?
The
Shut up.
National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Marshall.
This is the craziest. This is a full-blown compilation right now.
County in North Central Alabama, northeastern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, southeastern Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee.
This is still stuck on severe thunderstorm watch.
Daylight time. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Fayetteville to 6 miles south of New Market to Triana, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles. Source was not indicated. Intent. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Huntsville, Scottsdale,
I'm putting these on.
Lansville, Bridgeport, Redstone, Arsenal, Henniker, Stevenson, Tillingham, and Owens Crossroads. Audience protection is also an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Jackson and Madison, and Lincoln, Tennessee.
This is crazy.
A tornado.
Whoa! I'll deal with you later! Oh my goodness!
North Central Jackson County in northeastern Alabama.
First tornado warning on the Midlands of Area 120. Okay, now you can shut up.
Storm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Huntland, or 14 miles south of Winchester, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Alabama. This storm has a history of producing a tornado.
Let's go.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, vehicles will occur. Tree damage.
Tornado warning.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over in the rural areas of counties, including the following locations: Bass, Hytop, St. Andrews, Anderson, Sherwood, and Jericho. Take cover now. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m.
Tornado warning.
For the following county, Franklin, Tennessee.
I hope that all these go off. Oh my god.
It's 7:17 p.m. Central. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near northern Huntsville and Alabama A&M University around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Moore's Mill and Moore Ravine Hill around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. New Market around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. By this tornadic thunderstorm include Mayfield. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Alabama, Jackson, and Madison. At 7 p.m.